Is it not beautiful out here? Obviously, lots more cleanup to do. It is. I mean, it does, but we still have more cleanup to do. How many more of those do you have to dig?
3. Hey guys, it's almost the end of day 1. We got the run assembled and I'm putting the post up that I'm going to build the roof off of. So I got one concreted in, I'm concreting the other one in. Probably won't get to any more today, but that's the end of progress, day 1. Turned 15 loose on fire duty, so if the place burns this time, it's her fault. What's up, guys? This is just for support. It won't be staying.
It's looking nice. So what we got? I missed that. He almost fell.
Did you get that on video?
No, I missed it. We
Oh,
do it.
no.
We do it again.
No.
Dave, will you hold up a light so I can show our friends? Alyssa and I went to Tractor Supply, which was not a great idea. But I found some super cute things for our chicken coop. These are solar powered. And I got 2. We may need 4 because I can't decide if I want to put them on that end or closer by the door. I don't know. We'll see. Show them the signs. Welcome to our coop. Can't wait to share the names with y'all. This is actually for the bee garden. Pardon the weeds, we're feeding the bees. I got 2 of those, similar. And chicken crossing, balk this way. Last one in is a rotten egg. How many of y'all said that as kids? Did you, Dave?
I say it now.
Last one in is a rotten egg. So tell them kind of the progress on the coop.
Well,
What you still have to do.
I'm trying to put the roof together and I'm not very good at it.
At least you're honest.
Honest. So when I get the roof on there, then I'll start on the coop part and that'll really be it. So we don't like a whole lot other than the coop itself. So go do the eggs, or the egg, what do you call it, Spot?
The coop?
Yeah, the
laying box?
laying boxes, that's it. Haven't decided how I want to do them exactly. I don't know if I want to do them like inside the coop or kind of on the outside like a lot of people do. I hadn't decided. I watched a couple videos today, but
Yeah, one thing that we aren't just real crazy about is the, on this backside, show them where you'll take that panel off. We kind of wanted it to be up higher.
oh yeah, the panel comes out down here.
Yeah,
I could just leave it and cut a hole, I suppose.
I think it'll be fine.
You want them on the trailer? Is that the last 2?
Alyssa's helping.
Want to add more board?
Imagine that.
I got these 2 about a half inch. Cost us $13.
Amateur. So you want to say hi?
Yes.
Oh, you want to tell our friends our chicken names.
Okay, so we're still deciding on one because I'm indecisive. So, first we have Honey. That's Mom's, if you couldn't tell. We have Olive and Maple, and we have Willow. You have to help me. We have Honey, Olive, Willow, Maple, Opal, and we're still deciding on one, and then the rooster's name is gonna be Okie, because, yeah.
Okie Loop.
Well, I was gonna say that in just in case there were serial killers watching her, you know, but.
What's that?
I mean.
Taught you well.
Now they always know where we live. Now they all know where we live.
Maybe not.